Kia ora, my name is Zara. I'm a sustainability consultant at WSB and a Green Star Design and As-Built and Performance Accredited professional. I'm also a visiting scholar at Victoria University of Wellington with a PhD in Sustainable Architecture from Victoria University and a master's degree in Energy and Architecture. One of the projects that I'm currently working on is a research project about sustainable neighborhood design with brands to investigate design interventions in neighborhoods to reduce carbon emissions. Another research project is for Mahi to study carbon footprint of transportation infrastructure. Part of my commitment is helping projects to achieve Green Star certification, like Performance Portfolio for stadiums in New Zealand and Design and As-Built for office buildings and libraries. Life cycle assessment is crucial. I analyze the impact of the building on the environment and help clients with their future scenarios in order to reduce their carbon footprint. I also work on sustainable strategic frameworks for organizations and ministries to integrate their values with sustainability initiatives. My background as an architectural designer helped me in this role. Since I understand the construction process and materials, I can communicate well with engineers, I can bring out opportunities in projects to gain more points. I have worked for United Nations and UN Habitat towards promoting SDGs in universities and communities. In my academic life, I've been researcher, senior tutor and lecturer, and my purpose was always to encourage students to learn how to research, ask questions, and be critical of sustainability claims. My PhD studies was about how to increase the use of reclaimed and recycled building materials in New Zealand. I have published many book chapters and papers related to sustainability, and I'm the reviewer of top 3 journals in Elsevier, Taylor & Francis, and Springer. I believe that Ottawa is at a turning point, and the building construction industry is one of the high-emitting sectors. I believe that the first step is to increase awareness of all actors in this and to make the decarbonization process clearer and more understandable for everyone. Manufacturing sector needs both innovation and change. For reducing carbon emissions, planning should be fast, time frame and the baseline should be set correctly, and for all this to happen, we need firm research outcomes that form the starting point, and we should choose strategies that make a more significant change in less time and are easier to achieve. As the future thinker of the year, New Zealand Green Building Council can facilitate and help me run webinars, discussions and workshops for 3 target audiences of decision makers, engineers and architects, students and lay people, to increase their awareness and to pivot toward a low carbon future.